This ain't no 9 to 5, so don't even lie.
Orangey! The orangey, the backstabber!
Bring your back.
It's a new day, I'm trying to get paid, trying to get away, get laid. It's a new day, I'm trying to get paid, trying to get away, get laid. Please hand up class for
Alright girls, let's shine that helmet up. Let's get this helmet shiny. Come on girls. Let's polish it. Polish that helmet up. I wanna see my reflection in that helmet. Make that baby shine. Come on, girls. Make it shine. Yes, that's what I wanna see. That's what I like.
She's a freak, yeah, I'm liking her, but check it. I love them all, but I think you're right. You look so beautiful tonight. I love them all, but I think you're right. You look so beautiful tonight.
I wanna thank you. Let's take it easy, cause I ain't gotta be your man. Friends with benefits, yes, a helping hand. Ain't nothing really changed. She looking at my necklace and chain.
I don't know where he lives. I think he was in Alaska. Not like is that a video?
Oh, that's nice. That's nice of you, Kristen.
Man, you're such a beach. Sandwich time for everyone. Sandwich time for everyone. Alex, please get that on video. Here's Greg from Kentucky. Greg, if you're out there. Greg from Kentucky.
Greg from Kentucky.
Get over here right now.
Come on, Greg from Kentucky.
He's not here.
Greg, is that you? Greg.
Was it really?
Sober house. Let me see those eyes. Are
Okay,
you drunk?
Greg from Kentucky, where are you? Call it. So scandalous.
Come back to me, cause a little bit ain't enough. Come back to me, cause a little bit ain't enough. Come back to me, cause a little bit ain't enough.
Hey, what are you guys doing? Are we working hard? Where do you work right now? What is this? It's a bikini bike wash! Look at the girls in their bikinis washing the bikes. They're washing the bikes right now. They look awfully good. You girls are doing a good job. Keep it up.
Say something for him because he wants I wanna take your shirt off.
I was just wondering.
Okay. Make a song for me. Make a song for me.
Yeah? You want a song? All you really say is oh my, your bitch wanna fuck another guy. Oh my, don't even ask why. Cause you already know that I'm the guy. I see you looking at me.
I see you, girl.
That's you, girl. I see you.
Trisha. Hey, listen. I see you all across the room. Dancing with your girlfriend. I'm coming real soon. Just give me a minute while I can get this liquor in my system so I can start spitting true game shit. fall in love. That's how smooth and quick I am. I can put the game on you, girl. S.A. Listen, I'm on a different level. I'm bypassing these niggas. These niggas here ever behind me, never can catch me.